2:30 this afternoon. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt regular programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Central Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for western Dallas County and eastern Tarrant County until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:39 a.m. this morning, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar estimates up to 1.5 inches of rain had fallen in the past hour, with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches are possible, though through early afternoon. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highway streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas is possible. Again, the National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for western Dallas County and eastern Tarrant County until 2:30 this afternoon. All North Central Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding announcement.